Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. I hope you're all keeping well. Just a quick video today, which is the best Karcher window vac to buy. As you can see here, I have the boxes for 3 models that I own. I've had the Karcher WV5 Premium for more than 2 years, but sadly, just as the guarantee had finished, that died out on me. I've got the Karcher window vac Anniversary Edition and then the Karcher WV6 Premium. I have done individual reviews for all 3 of these products. In fact, I've reviewed a lot of Karcher products on my channel. I will leave a link to a playlist in the description box below. At the time of making this video, this one here, the WV5, is for £60 I think, and this one is for £50, and the WV6 Premium, this is the newer model, this one is for £80 or a bit over. But of course these prices will change. We're coming up to Easter, so they might drop. I will leave a link in the description box if you want to pick any one of these models up. So in this video, my aim is to tell you the difference between them and also give you my opinion on which one I think you should buy. So you get the full kit with all of them. Anytime they add the word premium, well, in this case it's Anniversary Edition, they come with everything. So you get 2 heads, one large, one small, same size. You get sample cleaning solution that will get you up and running. You include the solution in the bottle and some water, but as I've mentioned before, and I've also done a demo as well, you do not have to use the cleaning solution. You could just use some soapy water and it'll give you a fantastic result. You get the charger is the same for all 3 of them, and then you get a microfiber cloth in all 3 and a bottle. So that's that. Let me move them out the way and then I will show you the actual machines. So that, as you can see, the blades, they're exactly the same size, the small ones and the larger ones that are on the machine. This one has a 100-minute runtime, the WV6. The Anniversary Edition and the WV5 Premium has a 35-minute runtime. This one has a LCD display, so you can see there when you turn it on, it'll give you how much time is remaining, which is helpful. This one does not, so it's just on that and it lights up green, and when it's about to die out it will start flashing red. So you do get an indicator to let you know that the battery is about to die out. The dirty water capacity, it's 100 ml on the Anniversary Edition, and then on the WV6 it's 150 ml, so you are getting a larger bottle. Good thing I like about this is the dirty water container is easily removable, so you can just pull it off and that's it. You can just empty out and you're good to go. Just pop it back in. But with this one you have to remove the head first, then you have to remove these 2 and then remove the actual bin. But as I've mentioned, I have done videos showing all that, so I won't be doing that in this video. The heads are easily removable on all of them. You just pinch that, pull, and they come off, and then you just click it back on. They are good build quality. You do get 2 years guarantee, of course, being a Karcher product. Charger socket there, as you can see, it's the same on both of them. Now the biggest difference is the blade. As you can see, that blade, I'll show you this one first, it's normal, so it is soft. I mean, it's good quality. It's not like it'll scratch anything, because of course these are not just for the window. You could use them on your work surfaces, your shower screens, your car windows, and even on your car bonnet, because I've reviewed other window vacs as well, the Bosch and the Y Leader. Again, links to them in the description box, and there will be pop-up cards. They had softer blades as well, but me personally, I prefer the blades of this Karcher window vacs, and to me these are a bit more better in terms of cleaning. But with this one, the good thing is you can remove this blade. So say if you spilt some milk, because of course in my house that happens often because I've got 2 little kiddies, you can remove that all comes off and you can wash it. And that's same with the larger one as well. And then to reassemble is straightforward. You just push it back in, there you go. But with this one you're unable to do that. You just wash it and hope for the best that the milk doesn't stay in there and it doesn't start smelling. But I haven't had that problem, so it's been absolutely fine. This one is slightly heavier because of course it does have the larger battery and the larger dirty water container. This one is slightly lighter. In terms of performance, they all perform really good, all three of them. This one does have the edge, the WV6 Premium, because the blade does go right to the end of the window. If you're cleaning it, it goes right to the edge because of the way the blade's designed. With this one, sometimes you do get a problem. It depends how many windows you're cleaning. If you have a lot of windows to clean, like my house, I have a lot of windows, so something like this would be more suited, like the WV6 Premium. In my opinion, overall, what I'd say you should go for, I think in this moment in time, making this video in March 2020, I'm sure I've mentioned that, I think you should just go for the Karcher 10-year anniversary edition, because I think Karcher made a lot more of them than they thought they were going to sell. So I've seen this on Amazon for £45 as well. I just checked now before making this video and it'd gone back up to 50, but as I mentioned, in Easter it may go down to around £45, and for that price you cannot go wrong. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time here, do consider subscribing, because I do different product review videos. I hope you're all looking after yourselves. Stay safe, stay well. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.